cat is going to fit inside the square. We already did the frame using the ruler. And then we're going to start with 2 eyes closer to the top than the bottom because we just have the ears on the top and then a little bit more body underneath. So I'm going to draw 1 eye here, kind of a big eye. Then I'm going to draw another one next to it that's touching, but this one's going to be a little bit smaller because I want my cat to look like it's sort of leaning. And then inside, we're going to draw another circle to show where the eyes of the cat are. And inside of that, we can do our 2 little circles to show that the eye is reflecting light. I'm going to adjust this a little bit more. And then once you are outlining, you can go ahead and color in your eyes. Next, we're going to do a nose. I'm going to make my nose a triangle. So it's going to kind of look like a beak right now, but I'm going to fill that in too with black. Then down from there, right now it looks a little bit like a bird, but we're going to make this look a little bit more like a cat. So I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then I'm going to do a curved line up on both sides to show the smile. Then I'm going to draw a line over the top of the head pretty close to the eyes. And then I'm going to put some triangles up for the ears. Inside those ears, we're going to draw another triangle so you can see the inside of the ear. And at the bottom of it, I make it rounded so it helps make the face look rounded. And then from the ears, we're going to draw a line that just goes down and starts to get a little bit wider as it gets closer to the bottom. And it's going to touch the line for our border. And it's going to go a little bit wider as it goes down. And that's going to be the body of our cat. And we're going to put the paws right on the frame here. And we're just going to do a half a circle and then another half circle for the 2 front paws. And we'll put 2 little lines in between to show the individual toes of the cat. And then on the outside, we're going to draw sort of more of an oval shaped half circle. So it's a little bit longer and it goes towards the side. And this time to show our toes, we're going to put them close to the front. So it looks like the feet are kind of turned out. And we're going to add some whiskers. So these are the cheeks, right? I'm just going to draw 3 lines to be the whiskers of the cheek, coming out of the cheek of the cat. And finally, I want to add a tail. So you want to see about where you have more space. I have a little bit more space over here. So I'm going to add a tail over here. My cat usually has a funny little curve on the end of his tail, so I'm going to add that to mine. We're going to add a pattern to the border. I would like you to use at least 1 shape and 1 line. So when I think of cats, I think a lot of people love them. So I'm going to create a heart for my shape, a vertical line for my line.